New Smile Pros Education Institute presents a training that goes beyond dental implant placement. This is a very unique course that offers you the training in planning, preparation, surgical placement, and restoring dental implants. In this course, we'll be using advanced digital technology for the diagnosis and planning for implant surgery. Doctors will be introduced to the 3D printer and its applications in the implant dentistry field. Surgical guides will be used during the training for precision of the implant placement. Doctors will have the opportunity of doing implant surgery for 2 days in a row. During this course, the doctors will experience a one-on-one surgical implant placement training. The most accurate way to plan a dental implant is by doing crown-down surgical implant planning. Besides doing implant surgery, the doctors will learn about the digital design of the final restoration. Each participating doctors will have the opportunity of using powerful software for the design of the final restorations. Digital technology is the future in dentistry, so join us and experience the future now. What makes this course unique is that it is an integrated course where surgery and prosthodontics come together. Don't wait to sign up. There is a limited enrollment for 6 doctors.